त्वं परा प्रकृतिः साक्षात् ब्रह्मणः परमात्मनः त्वत्तो जातं जगत्सर्वं त्वं जगज्जननी शिवे महदाद्याणुपर्यन्तं यदित्सचराचरं त्ववैवोत्पादितं भद्रे त्वदधीनमिदं जगत् त्वमाद्या सर्वविद्यानम् अस्माकमपि जन्मभूः त्वं जानासि जगत्सर्वं न त्वां जानाति कश्चन त्वं काली तारिणी दुर्गा षोडशी भुवनेश्वरी धूमावती त्वं बगला भैरवी छिन्नमस्तका त्वमन्नपूर्णा वाग्देवी त्वं देवी कमलालया सर्वशक्ति स्वरूपा त्वं सर्वदेवमयी तनु त्वमेव सूक्ष्मा स्थूला त्वं व्याक्तस्वरूपिणी निराकरापि सकारा कस्त्वं वेदितुमर्हति उपासकानां कार्यार्थं श्रेयसे जगतामपि दानवानां विनाशाय धत्से नानाविधस्तनुः
In the midst of the dazzling splendor and the roaring opulence of metropolis of Mumbai stands the lighthouse of culture, the Bengal Club of Mumbai, one of the premier socio-cultural organizations of the city. The club stands on the landmark of Shivaji Park, Dadar, Mumbai. The club organizes various events of sports and cultural activities throughout the year. Durga Puja is the pinnacle socio-cultural event of all. The club was founded in the year 1922 by a group of august Bengali-speaking community, some coming from the then province of Bengal and some who had migrated generations earlier. The group wanted to introduce the festival of Durga Puja as an event of community gathering with the underlying context of motivating the Bengali settlers of the province Bombay with sentiments of freedom struggle. In the post-independence era, the festival of Durga Puja became the center of community gathering, encouraging both Bengalis and non-Bengalis towards the feeling of Indianness to create the ethos of universal brotherhood.
The club was established in 1922 by a group of people who actually came from Calcutta, and they obviously wanted to create their own environment. So, as you know, Bengalis were very fond of games. So they actually started playing football, which was very popular, and that's why, unlike other clubs which came up in the southern part of Bombay, they approached the government of Maharashtra and the city of Bombay to give them some larger land where they could play their football. So the government, after a lot of considerations, gave them a piece of land as a tenant in this great Shivaji Park. You know, one of the original founders, Mr. J.C. Maitra, he was actually the president of the Western India Football Association, and then what this club actually has produced a lot of artists, you know, performing artists. This club has produced a lot of cricketers because we run a cricket academy, and you must have heard the names of Dronacharya coach Achrekar. He is a legendary coach in Maharashtra who has coached people like Sachin Tendulkar, Vinod Kamli, Sanjay Manjrekar, Amol Majumdar, and also we have encouraged always, as a part of our tradition, encouraged young artists to grow. So I can say that people who are very famous today as performing artists, for example Abhijit, Shreya Ghoshal, Shan, they all, when they were unknown people, they performed on the stage of Shivaji Park, Durga Puja.
This is basically a club which promotes the sports among the youngsters, and we have the cricket academy, we have football academy, we have karate, we have yoga, meditations, everything we have under this club. And for last so many years we are conducting the various tournaments for the corporate, inter-corporate tournaments, inter-collegiate tournaments, as well as inter-school tournaments, inter-club tournaments, and J.C. Maitra and J.C. Bhattacharya tournament for under 16 school boys. This is the only playing ground and this is the only academy here in Dadar where the middle class students or the children are getting the facilities for training in cricket, football and other tournaments.
Till today, the very theme of Indianness is reflected when we see various communities and from various strata of life offering prayers and donations to the Kali Mandir, nurtured and fostered by the club. The same gest of multi-community participation is visible amongst the citizens of Mumbai for the Bengal Club organized Durga Puja. Incidentally, 2010 was the 75th year, the Diamond Jubilee year of Durga Puja celebration. Being a milestone event in the history of the club, all the focus is on to this year's puja. Let's have a glimpse of the enthusiasm surrounding the 75th year's Durga Puja.
शरति दुर्गाणि विश्वानावेव सिन्धुं दुरितात्यग्निः तामग्निवर्णां तपसा ज्वलन्तीं भैरोचनीं कर्मफलेषु जुष्टाम् दुर्गां देवीं शरणमहं प्रपद्ये सुतरसि तरसे नमः अग्ने त्वं पारयानव्यो अस्मान् स्वस्तिभिरति दुर्गाणि निष्वाहा से सुनगाम सोममराति यतो निदहाति वेदः स नः पश्यदति दुर्गाणि विश्वानावेव सिन्धुं दुरितात्यग्निः तामग्निवर्णां तपसा ज्वलन्तीं भैरोचनीं कर्मफलेषु जुष्टाम् दुर्गां देवीं शरणमहं प्रपद्ये सुतरसि तरसे नमः अग्ने त्वं पारयानव्यो अस्मान् स्वस्तिभिरति दुर्गाणि निष्वाहा पूषालभेदसे सुनगाम सोममराति यतो निदहाति वेदः स नः पश्यदति दुर्गाणि विश्वानावेव सिन्धुं दुरितात्यग्निः तामग्निवर्णां तपसा ज्वलन्तीं भैरोचनीं कर्मफलेषु जुष्टाम् दुर्गां देवीं शरणमहं प्रपद्ये सुतरसि तरसे नमः अग्ने त्वं पारयानव्यो अस्मान्.
The festival of Durga Puja, called as Sharad Utsav in Bengali, is performed with strict devotions, following all the rituals according to the scriptures. In the midst of fun, strict religious sanctity is maintained with care.
देवी रस्त्र प्रहारे दैत्यसेना छिन्न भिन्न होते लागलो महिषासुर ক্ষণে ক্ষণে রূপ পরিবর্তন করে নানা কৌশল বিস্তার করলে মহিষ থেকে হস্তি রূপ ধারণ করলে আবার সিংহরূপী দৈত্যের অনন্মত্ততা দেবী প্রশমিত করলেন পুনরায় নয়ন বিমোহন পুরুষ বেশে আত্মপ্রকাশ করলে ওই ইন্দ্রজালিক দেবীর রূঢ় প্রত্যাখ্যান পেয়ে আবার মহিষ মূর্তি গ্রহণ করলে রণবাদ্য দিকে দিগন্তরে নিনাদিত চতুরঙ্গ নিয়ে অসুরেশ্বর দেবীকে পরাজিত করবার মানসে উল্লসিত দেবীর বাহন সিংহরাজ দাবাগ্নির মতো সমস্ত রণক্ষেত্রে শতাবিধারে মহিষমর্দিনীর উৎপত্তি রূপে খ্যাত হল দেবী সজ্জিতা হলেন অপরূপ রণচণ্ডী মূর্তিতে। হিমাচল দিলেন সিংহবাহন, বিষ্ণু দিলেন চক্র, পিনাক পানি, শঙ্কর দিলেন শূল, যম দিলেন তার দণ্ড, কালদেব সুতীক্ষ্ণ খড়গ, চন্দ্র অষ্টচন্দ্র শোভা চর্ম দিলেন, ধনুর্বাণ দিলেন সূর্য, বিশ্বকর্মা অভেদ বর্ম, ব্রহ্মা দিলেন অক্ষমালা কমণ্ডল।
It is a time of fun and gaiety for all. The average footfall per day amounts to almost 1 lakh devotees. Hence, to make the social occasion more vibrant, the club receives patronage from corporate houses who wants to showcase their brand. This year, India's largest bank, State Bank of India, participated with the branding of the SBI Gate, dividing the major movement area and the air conditioning lounge conceived by the club. To comfort the large number of crowd who visit for the glimpse of the Reverend Mother Goddess. After the darshan and the offering of the puja, there are various other attractions which motivate the devotees to stay in with pandal premise.
It was a great experience, and since I stay in this area, I have been coming here since I was a kid, and I enjoy being a part of this puja, and it was a great experience. Absolutely, you feel like you're in heaven.
What is your name?
Ruby.
Ruby, you are coming from?
I come from Mumbai. I stay in Marine Lines.
Where you stay in Bombay?
Marine Lines.
It's quite far from here.
No, it's not far.
So you enjoyed?
Yeah, I did. It's new to me. I came for the first time, so it's new. Yeah.
আপনার নাম কি?
আমি সুস্মিতা চৌধুরী।
আপনি কি করলেন সকাল দিয়ে এখানে রান্নাঘরে?
হ্যাঁ, আমরাও সকাল থেকে জোগাড় করি, সব রান্না হয়। রান্নার সকালে দুপুরে একবার হয়েছে, আবার বিকেলে সন্ধি পুজোর রান্না হয়েছে, আবার সন্ধেবেলায় আরতির রান্না হয়েছে।
এই তরকারি সব যে কাটার কাজ এগুলো কে করে?
কাটার জন্য আমাদের মহিলা সমিতি, এখানে যে ক্লাবের মহিলা সমিতি, সে মহিলা সমিতির মেম্বার্স আছে যারা সকাল থেকে ভোর থেকে আসে। সারাদিন কিছুটা সময় তারা দেয়, এখানে জোগাড় করতে দেয়। কেউ রান্না করে, কেউ ফুলের কাজ করে, আর সব ভোগ আমরা মিলেই একসাথে করি।
Bengal Club understands responsibility of security for the devotees. This year, a technical control center was set up by the club, controlling the surveillance and broadcast issues. 24/7 monitoring using high-quality digital surveillance and coordination of the physical security of the pandal premise was done by the technical control center. The control center was responsible for enablement of live darshan and broadcast of the puja over a large LED screen to help the devotees close glimpse of Mother Goddess. The same was getting broadcasted live over internet on the Bengal Club website and also used by various satellite channels as a feeder.
We have gone ahead with a very high level of surveillance where we are tracking each and every crowd movement. We are doing number counting. We are doing crowd management using video analytics. All these 15 cameras which are implemented all around the campus is getting recorded from the centralized server. One of our technology partner, iOmniscient, has given us the video management software. What you see out here in this control center is a complete management of all the cameras combined with the management of the broadcast equipments, transmitted and combined together and stored in the hard disk. Day to day, event to event, time to time, monitoring is happening, and accordingly archival is also happening.
Utilizing the time for social and interpersonal relationship development, one can rightly say a home away from home. Bengal Club incessantly makes an effort to create a business environment for the folk and ethnic craftsmen of our country. Every year, small and cottage industry people come from various parts of the nation to showcase their products in the exhibition area.
আমার নাম আরতি বাসু। আরতি দি, আমি বলবো আপনাকে কি আপনি কত বছর দিন এই স্টলটা লাগাচ্ছেন?
আমি প্রায় নিয়ার অ্যাবাউট 20 ইয়ার্স।
তো এটা আপনার নিজের কালেকশন কি আপনি কলকাতা দিয়ে কিনে আনেন কি?
না, আমি নিজে এগুলো বানাই। বেশি মোস্ট অফ দ্য শাড়িজ আমার নিজের মানে ডিজাইনে করা হয়েছে আর কি।
আচ্ছা, আপনাকে এখানে যে স্টলটা লাগাচ্ছেন, এই লাগিয়ে খালি সেলের ব্যাপার আছে কি আপনাকে মানে এখানেই কেন লাগিয়েছেন? আমার কথা মানে
যখন আসতাম তখন অবভিয়াসলি আমি সেলের জন্য আসতাম, কিন্তু এত বছর ধরে আসার পর থেকে আমার একটা মানে এখানে এত বন্ধু বান্ধব, এত মানে সবাই আমাকে ভালোবাসে, তারা রেগুলার আমার জন্য 1 বছর ধরে ওয়েট করে থাকে। ন্যাচারালি আমি খুব হ্যাপি এখানে এসে আর কি।
हम चले हैं आज चद्दर के स्टॉल में। सचमुच क्या वैरायटीज़ हैं, मगर कुछ मुझे रोक दिया चलते हुए कदम मेरे। ऐसा लगा कि बंगाल के साथ साथ यूपी भी यहीं पर ही है, हमारे ही दरवाजे के बगल वाले दरवाजे में। तो चलिए पूछते हैं क्या ये कलेक्शन यूपी का है? आपका नाम?
राकेश कुमार। राकेश कुमार।
राकेश जी, आप कहाँ से आए हैं?
ये पिलखुआ गाजियाबाद का पड़ता है।
गाजियाबाद यानी कि यूपी हमारा शहर, राइट?
यूपी।
इसकी क्या खासियत है इन चादरों की?
ये मैडम प्योर कॉटन होता है, दूसरा ये ब्लॉक प्रिंटिंग होता है, कलर इनके जाता नहीं है और हर मौसम में सूटेबल होता है।
Needless to say, any festival in India, especially when organized by a food-loving community, one can find splendors of mouth-watering cuisines.
কত বছর দিয়ে আপনি এখানে স্টল লাগাচ্ছেন?
25 বছর ধরে আসছি।
25 বছর, মানে 25 বছর দিয়ে এভরি দুর্গা পূজাতে আপনি এখানে আছেন?
হ্যাঁ, এভরি দুর্গা পূজা এখানে আছি।
কেমন লাগে এখানে এসে স্টল লাগাতে?
খুব ভালো পরিবেশ, সুন্দর জিনিস, সুন্দর জিনিস। এখানে বাঙালিরা যারা আসে সব অনেক পরিষ্কার লোক, সুন্দর, ভালো।
This exhibition is part of our annual feature. What we do here, primarily of course we want Bengali craftsmen, like handloom weavers, sari weavers, handicraft makers, cottage industry people to come and display their goods.
With the thought of food for mind and intellect, the Pandal campus also houses a unique concept of art gallery and bookstore. Art gallery has been concepted by the club to promote young and budding painters from various economic backgrounds. book fair takes one to the roots of folk and children literature.
This time we have also done some new things. We have a book fair and also an art gallery where we are showing many of the upcoming artists' works, and people are taking a lot of interest. Most of the paintings are already sold, and we have got some publishers from Calcutta, from Bombay, from all over to bring their books over here. So that book fair is also very popular this time.
The pinnacle day of the festival is the day of Mahashtami. The day's rituals begins with Kumari Puja, an important ritual of Shakti worship. In this day, as per the mythology, Lord Rama prayed to Ma Durga for her blessings to avenge the great demon Ravana, the king of Rakshasas. The puja he performed was called as Akal Bodhan, which means untimely calling of the goddess. The dance of Dhunuchi with the fire pot, popularly called as Dhunuchi dance, is a form of dance to show submission in front of the beloved mother goddess. As per the custom of the club, the Dhunuchi dance performance is commenced with the dance of the senior patron of the club. This year, Mr. Amit Chaudhary, the Vice President of the club, commenced the Dhunuchi dance offering his prayers to the Mother Goddess. This was followed by the dance of Mr. Malloy, the General Secretary of the club.
निर्गत हलो এই পর্বত প্রমাণ জ্যোতিপুঞ্জ প্রজ্বলিত হুদাসনের ন্যায় দীপ্যমান কিরণে দিগমণ্ডল পূর্ণ করে দিলে ওই তেজরশ্মি।
The festival of Durga Puja comes to culmination on the penultimate day of Dashami, popularly known as Dashera all over the world. The day, as per the mythology, marks the victory of Lord Rama over Ravana. And this was also the day when Mother Goddess vanquished Mahisasura, the triumph of good over evil. The idol of Mother is smeared by vermilion or sindoor, a symbol of proud and happily married woman, as per Indian customs. After giving the sindoor to the idol of the Mother Durga, groups of married women birth into choice tons of sindoor play, a prayer of long married life for each other, which becomes an elaborate and unique playful ecstasy. We bid adieu to the great celestial mother for her heavenly abode, the Mount of Kailash. As a beloved daughter, she goes back to her husband's Shiva's house after a brief stay of few days in her father's house on this earth along with her children, with the promise to come back next year.